Hey everybody, it's Roland the Real from Complete Trader Academy again with another daily review. Today is Monday, November 7, 2022. This is our daily candle here. Strong market for bulls today. Previous video, we mentioned that when we closed, it was going to be easy to come back up and take out this previous high and get into this wick here somewhere in there. And I didn't know if it was going to take out this high, but I was very confident in taking out this high right here. We're looking for lower prices because we are at the top of a swing, because of elections tomorrow and just the way certain things are panning out. We can still see prices come up if they use the elections to reach up into this gap. So that's starting to look like that, but in general, we are at a 79 on the major fib from the A, B to C swing. So I'm assuming that we're going to spike up and then come down and take out lower liquidity sitting here. I'm going to go into a smaller time frame for an hour chart so you can see that. All right, so here is what we've been looking at. Here we opened up and gapped down hard yesterday. When we gapped down, we filled in this price here of this imbalance sitting here. And throughout the night, we started making, this is London here, we made a retracement in London, good sign for a buying day. And then price came down to a demand block here. It was also a 50 retracement from here, A, B, and C, which I'll show you on a smaller time frame. And then that was a great place to buy. And then if you look here, this is this fib here. This is from the FOMC wick fib. So A, B, and where's C? Well, we took the we took the sell on Friday. And it hit the 61. See this here? And then you were supposed to either take the profit or hold for a lower objective, but it didn't. It ended up taking out this liquidity sitting here above this high and this high when we opened up today and throughout the day. So we thought it would stop at 70. It didn't. We thought it would stop at the 79 because now I've got some of this wick and took out some of these objectives and this high. It didn't. And then the next stop was pretty much the 88, which we're shy of it, which we still might hit it today. But this yellow line, this is also another objective that I had reached for because it was the open of the previous week. So I need to actually move this because this is the week starting today or yesterday night. And this was last Monday. So this was the open of that week. And sure enough, price came and reached that to probably balance all this. That's a little tip for you guys. All right, go on the 5 minute real quick. And you can see this clearly. And then remember, our objective was to come down to take out this imbalance. See this? Here, I'll show you on the daily real quick. This was what my goal was. Didn't go that way, but we wanted price to come back down and then take out this first objective with this green line, this imbalance here, and it didn't. All right, so back to the 5 minute. You see the entry here. Price came up, came back down, retraced. Now it's 9:30, 10 o'clock. Okay, price came down and got into this major imbalance sitting there. You can't miss it. With this, coupled with this start of a demand block, wicked it there, automatically in, or you could have got in here when the price came down, closed, came back up, came back down, made this, touch back this demand block right here. You could have been a buyer there, and then when this candle came in and got near it, you could have been a buyer right there. And if you want to see the fib entry, You have multiple confirmation of, so A, B, so higher low to higher high to higher low. You see this? Hits the 50, comes down, it wicks, but the bodies never go past this. So even if I drag it out for you, you'll see, so the 50 right there with the body. All right, and then taking that up to that 88 that's up here, and then also this line was the last week's open candle on last Sunday, not yesterday, the previous Sunday. All right, so as far as what we have going on tomorrow, I've already mentioned elections. I'm probably going to stay out of it. It's probably going to whipsaw up or down or any direction, but I'm going to wait for this little leg to be done and then look for sells still. All right, I hope this helps. Take care. God bless.